G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve and today we're going to be looking at a question that a subscriber has sent in asking, can we propagate mint in the same way as we propagate basil? Mint can be a really invasive species, and for this reason I'd always recommend growing it in a pot and not just putting it into an open garden bed. But to answer the question, can we grow mint or can we propagate mint in the same way as we do basil? The answer is yes. Let's have a look at this. Well, firstly, take some cuttings from an existing plant. Pinch off these lower branches that are growing out from the side. And then place this in some water. What you can expect is to see some root growth starting to come, particularly from these points here where the branches were emanating out from. So all we need to do now is to take these cuttings, place them into a jar or a bottle of water, and then put them in a nice sunny place. We're going to come back in a few weeks' time and I'll be able to show you exactly how these same cuttings have gone. But I'm expecting that we will see some really nice root growth on these, and we can then take them and place them into a pot and put those then out into our garden. I'll see you in a few weeks with these. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I please ask you to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget, if you have any ideas or thoughts about propagating mint, well then please go down into the comments area and leave your comment and contribute to the conversation. Lastly, don't forget to go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.